For years, OLED TVs have delivered the best image quality with display technology. That has remained largely unchanged, but LG promised something even better for 2021. Want to know more about it? Then, stick to this video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe it, cause we upload various tech updates. Let's begin. LG OLED has evolved. The new panel has been redesigned with an added layer, made of a stronger emissive material, that refines the wavelengths of light. This increases efficiency, and improves brightness, with the same amount of light input. The materials used for OLED lighting have also been changed, to enhance and strengthen light intensity. The result of all this is a brighter, sharper image, and a better viewing experience. There is a clear difference between 8K and 4K resolution. OLED 8K is 4 times the resolution of 4K. But, there's also a clear difference between OLED 8K and LED 8K. LG OLED TVs have SelfLit Pixels that can be controlled individually to display unmatched levels of depth and detail. They also have the Alpha 9 Gen 4 processor 8K, an incredibly powerful chip that upscales 4K to 8K. LG OLED TVs not only express perfect black, but also original color. Intertek, a global testing agency based in the UK, has certified that LG OLED displays have 100% color fidelity. This means, on-screen colors closely match those of the original image. LED TVs simply can't match this standard of color reproduction. Color fidelity tests determine the difference between the color of an original image and the color expressed by a display. Sample colors were extracted and used in the test. The results verify that 100% of the sample colors shown on LG OLED displays closely match the original colors, whereas only 70 to 80% of the sample colors shown on LED displays closely match the original colors. SelfLit Pixel technology allows LG OLED TVs to be ultra-slim with perfect picture quality. By contrast, LED and mini LED TVs use backlights, combined with numerous other display layers, which affect both screen thickness and picture quality. Backlights also create the halo effect, and prevent TVs from displaying perfect black. It doesn't matter how many backlights are used, or how small they are, LED still can't compete with OLED. SelfLit Pixels can show the tiniest star in the darkest sky, with absolute precision and clarity. The same content can look different, depending on which display technology a TV has. LG OLED TVs have SelfLit Pixels that turn on and off to achieve perfect black and infinite contrast. LED and mini LED TVs use backlights that are not self-emissive. This means they can't create perfect black and can also suffer from the halo effect. Was this helpful? If yes, comment below. And, to be updated on the latest tech news, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and click the bell icon for instant notification. Thanks for watching.